Hey friends, welcome back to the Hive School. Today we're reviving the Quicktip series to have a look at how to find devices on your network. If you're creating a video system of any size, then I'd hazard a guess that you'll be connecting your devices together with some kind of network, perhaps something like this. Network is an aspect of our industry that I think is often overlooked, as in its simplest form it should just be plug and play. However, as you build bigger and bigger systems, things can get more complicated quite quickly. Today we're going to keep it really simple. If you know the IP address of the device you want to connect to, this is what you'll need to do. On a Windows machine, press the Windows key plus R to open the run command. Type CMD and press enter, and this will open a command prompt. Then type ping followed by the IP address of the device that you're looking to connect to. For example, I'm on a 172 network, so I'll type ping 172.168.1.17.60. and you'll see that Windows will try and contact the device 4 times before giving up. Editor Rich here. I feel like I've set you up to fail here a little bit. I've shown you what the terminal looks like when you're able to connect to your machine, but I think it's worth seeing what it looks like when you aren't able to connect to a device on the end of an IP address. So I'm going to go ping. I'm going to connect to an address that I know doesn't have anything on my network. And this is what it looks like when we can't get a reply. The same can be done on a Mac. Press Apple space to open Finder and then search for terminal. Once terminal opens, use the same ping command followed by the IP address that you're looking for. You'll notice on a Mac that it keeps looking for the device indefinitely. In order to quit the ping process, you need to press Ctrl-C on the keyboard when you're done looking for your devices, or you can simply just close the terminal. If you don't know the IP address of the device you want to connect to, or you want to check multiple devices on your network, you'll need a piece of software. I recommend using Advanced IP Scanner, which is free and available for Windows. After downloading and installing it, you can set the IP range of your network and then click Start. The software will search for all available devices on your network and display their details in the list below. Alternatively, you can use Angry IP Scanner, which is cross-platform, so will work on a Mac, but has a less user-friendly interface. Once you've found your devices, you can connect to their web interface and configure them or add them to your software. I don't have any routers or projectors on my home network, so there's not really much to show you here. However, now you've found your devices, you can do what you need with them. Thank you for joining us for this quick tip. Check back soon for the Your First Day in Notch video that I'm currently editing. If you have any suggestions or ideas for topics you'd like to cover in these videos, please leave a comment and we'll look into it. That's all for now. Thank you.